Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft Teams for meetings and channels. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in teams.microsoft.com and hit enter. If you already have a Microsoft account, click on Sign In. Enter your email address and click Next. Input your password and select Sign In. If you do not have an account, click on Sign Up for free. Once logged in, you'll see the Microsoft Teams interface. To join a meeting, locate the calendar icon on the left sidebar and click it. Find the meeting you want to join on the calendar. Click on the meeting to view its details. Select the Join button when you're ready to participate. If prompted, adjust your audio and video settings as needed. Click the Join Now button to enter the meeting. Now let's move on to channels. In the Teams interface, find your team on the left sidebar. Click on the team to open it. Here, you will see various channels available. To create a new channel, click the three dots next to the team name. Select Add Channel from the drop-down menu. Enter a name and description for your new channel. Choose the privacy settings for the channel. Then, click Add to create it. Congratulations, you've now registered for meetings and set up channels in Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.